Well, you did it. Congratulations. More than 2 hours of content consumed, and you now know everything to create your own faceless channels using InVideo AI. Now, it's very commendable that you managed to go through everything and you're here. But it's one thing to learn how to do everything, and another thing is actually doing it. Action is what differentiates winners from just every other people. And if you will not start doing it, it doesn't really matter how many things you know about it. And trust me, the more you will be doing it, the more you will be learning how to do it better and better and better. Your first faceless videos might not be great, even though because AI is creating it, it will be far better than your first faced videos, but still, it will be the worst. It will be the worst video that you will create. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean it's bad. It's just the quality will only go higher. InVideo AI will generate amazing videos for you. And by making more and more videos, you will learn how to utilize InVideo AI to its fullest potential. And not just its potential, you will utilize your own potential to the fullest very, very soon. Do not miss this opportunity. It has never been that easy to actually become a YouTube creator. And you have everything right now to do it. Well, unless you don't have an InVideo AI account, then I would suggest you to go and get it. Again, congratulations on finishing this course. Thank you for taking it with me. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will gladly answer every question that you have. Thank you again. Congratulations and have an amazing day. Take care.